Namaskar. A warm greetings to everyone. My name is Sanya Bharat Sanikar and I am a first year BAMS student. Vayu features movement. This movement is met by resistance that results in the production of heat, thus leading to the emergence of Agni Mahabhuta. Om Agnimile Purohitam Yajnasya Devam Ritwijam Hotaram Ratnadhatamam means I glorify Agni, the high priest of sacrifice, the divine, the ministrant, who is the offerer and possessor of greater wealth. I am going to put forth my viewpoint on applications of this Agni Mahabhuta.
Agneya Dravyas. They have Ushna Virya. They are Ruksha, Sukshma, Laghu and Vishada. Pippali. Botanical name is Piper longum Linn. Family Pipperaceae. Rasa Katu, that is pungent. Vipaka Madhura. Uses. It balances Kapha and Vata dosha, improves digestion strength, causes purgation, useful in skin diseases, relieves hemorrhoids, useful in indigestion. Second dravya is Pippali Moola. Botanical name Piper longum. Family Pipperaceae. Rasa Katu, that is pungent, and Vipaka is Katu. Uses. Pachana, that is digestive, relieves Amadosha, useful in worm infestation, relieves gas or fullness of abdomen or bloating, useful in spleen disorders, useful in chronic respiratory disorders, improves taste and relieves anorexia. Third dravya, Chavya. Botanical name Piper chaba, in bracket hunter. Family Pipperaceae. Rasa Katu, that is pungent. Vipaka Katu. Uses. Relieves constipation, ascites, that is enlargement of abdomen, useful in treating neuralgia and paralysis, balances kapha, improves digestion strength, abdominal pain. Fourth dravya, Chitrak. Botanical name Plumbago zelenica Linn. Family Plumbaginaceae. Rasa Katu. Vipaka Katu. Uses. Digestive and improves digestive strength. Relieves sprue, that is malabsorption syndrome. Absorbs excess moisture from intestine. Useful in cough and cold. Anti-inflammatory. Useful in skin diseases. Agneya Dravyas that we use in our day-to-day life regularly. One of them is Marika, that is black pepper. Botanical name Piper nigrum Linn. Family Pipperaceae. Rasa Katu, that is pungent. Vipaka Katu. Uses. Decreases sputum, that is kapha production. Increases digestion strength and balances kapha and vata. Has scraping effect over intestine and inducing cleansing effect. Orally used in women with amenorrhea, that is absence of periods to induce periods. Useful in obesity management. Second such dravya, that is Shringavira, also known as ginger. Botanical name Gingiber officinale. Family Scitamini. Rasa Katu. Vipaka, that is Madhura, sweet. Uses: acts as cardiac tonic, improves digestion strength, improves taste and voice, relieves abdominal colic pain, improves pancreatic digestive enzymes, trypsin and chymotrypsin. Third such dravya, that is Hingu, which is hing. Botanical name Ferula narthex. Family Umbelliferae. Rasa Katu. Vipaka Katu. Improves digestion power. Useful in asthma and other respiratory disorders. Useful to restore consciousness. Good for eyes, which is improves vision power. In treatment for worm infestation. To cure abdominal tumor. Fourth such dravya, that is Ajmoda, also known as Ajwain. Botanical name Trachispermum roxburginianum. Family Umbelliferae. Rasa Katu, that is pungent, and Tikta, that is bitter. Vipaka Katu, that is pungent. Uses: cleanses the urinary bladder and thus relieves the bladder pain, improves digestion strength, improves the body strength, used in anorexia, that is lack of interest in food, in vomitings and hiccups, eye disorders, worm infestation. The role of Agni in regimen, that is the day-to-day activities. Vyayam, that is exercise. It is the activities that increases Agni in the body, and it is done till the body is tired. It increases the power of digestion, reduces the fat, and body parts becomes distinct and firm. Abhyanga, that is body massage. Doing massage increases the heat, that is Agni, in the body. During winter season, that is Hemanta and Shishira Rutu, one is advised to perform Abhyanga with Vatahara Tailas, and it is also mentioned in Dinacharya as a daily activity, in the daily routine. Abhyanga imparts good vision and promotes strength. It promotes strength and toughness and prettiness to the skin. During the winter season, to increase the Agni, that is heat in the body, one is advised the following. First one, exposure to sunlight. To increase the heat, that is Agni, one is advised to reside in the room which is underground or which is clearly heated during the winter season. During winter season, one is advised to wear clothes that warms the body, that are thick and which are made up of materials like wool, jute, silk, animal skin. Agni Karma. It is the therapeutic heat burns, that is Agni, which is inflicted on the tissue surface of the patient by using different Dahanopkaranas, that is the tools of cauterization. It is used to treat painful conditions of bones and joints, joint stiffness, muscle spasm, sciatica, low back pain, osteoarthritis, and early stages of hernia, to excise the external piles, extra growth of skin and muscles, corn from the heel, excision of fistula tracts. Thank you.